Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to restore your recycle bin on Windows 10 if you couldn't find your recycle bin icon on your desktop. So actually it's really easy. You just right click on your desktop and then find this personalize, and then find this where is it, the colors, and then wait a minute. Wait a second. I mean, maybe this background. Oops. Wait. Wait, I will pause for you. Okay, after you open your personalization here, you can open your themes. Here, as you can see, this is the themes of your desktop or of your window. And then there is an option of desktop icon settings. You click that one, and then make sure your recycle bin is checked, so it will be showing up on your desktop. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.